Hey guys, another really good piece of business advice from Dune is hope clouds observation. Now, when it comes down to it, this is a really, really important thing. So what exactly is hope? Hope is desire. So what you desire your future to be, what the optimum future could be. It's not reality because it's not happened yet. You don't know whether or not something is going to happen. I'll give you an example. You run a restaurant. You have 5 tables booked in for the evening. You hope all 5 tables will show up and other people can't show up. However, if this is always in your mindset, it is going to create problems when these people don't show up. Observation is when you notice that not everybody shows up for a meal. So, take what you learn from your observation and try and find a way to deal with the situation. So, a recommendation. When people book a table with you, get them to leave a deposit. Then, even if you don't sell the table, the deposit is void from them and you've at least made some money. That money can be used in adverts, it can be used to help your business. If you observe people not coming in, find a way to take advantage of it and use it to your advantage. Because otherwise, you only have the knowledge that nobody has come in, and you have the past, which is unchangeable. You can't go back and fix that. But what you can do is learn from things. If you, however, just take a step back and you just hope that tomorrow the next 5 people are going to come in that have booked, if you just sit back and hope and you do nothing, you're not going to be able to change your future. And the future's impossible to live in as well, but it's what we do in the present with the knowledge of our past that affects our future the most. So this is something you need to take into your business. No matter what is happening, you need to take into account what you can learn from observing everything around you. Don't live on hope. Live on reality, even if it's hard reality, because it's the only way to learn, adapt, improve, and survive. Anyway, catch you later. Hope this helped. Bye.